Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to be a YouTuber. So, becoming a YouTuber involves several things. First, you need to choose your niche. Decide what type of content you want to create. It could be vlogs, tutorials, gaming, comedy, education, etc. Then research. Study successful YouTubers in your chosen niche. Analyze their content, style, and audience engagement to get insights. After that, create quality content. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing. Create engaging, high quality videos that resonate with your target audience. Keep consistency. Regular uploads are a very important thing. Develop a content schedule that you can stick to, as consistency helps build an audience. After that, engage your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Keep interaction with your viewers. Now you have to work with SEO and thumbnails. Learn about search engine optimization to make your videos discoverable. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles, which helps to attract audience. Next step is promotion. Share your videos on other social media platforms, relevant forums, and among friends and family to gain initial traction. Now, you have to keep patience. Building a successful channel takes time. Don't get discouraged by slow growth at the beginning. Now, analytics. Pay attention to YouTube analytics to understand your audience, what's working, and what need to improvement. At last, monetization. Once you have gained a decent following, explore monetization options like ads, sponsorship, merchandise, and more. Remember, it's important to stay true to your passion and provide value to your audience. In this platform, success may not come overnight, but with your dedication and perseverance, you can grow with your YouTube channel. So guys, this is how you can to be a successful YouTuber. Hope this video helped to you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.